Did you know that just 5 minutes a day could be the key to unlocking $10,000 a month? It might sound too good to be true, but this is exactly how the law of attraction works when you apply it with intention and consistency. Imagine transforming your life by dedicating just a few minutes each day to reprogram your mind for success and abundance. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to do it, and by the end, you'll have a simple yet powerful process you can start today. This isn't just about wishing for more money. It's about aligning your thoughts, energy, and actions to attract the financial freedom you deserve. So, if you're ready to discover how to turn 5 minutes a day into $10,000 a month, stay with me. And before we dive in, let me know in the comments, what's your biggest financial goal right now? Drop it below because setting clear intentions is the first step to making them real. Now, let's get started. The law of attraction isn't magic. It's deeply connected to how your mind and energy work. Think about this. Your thoughts create signals, like radio waves, that attract things into your life. When you focus on wealth, opportunities, and success, you align your energy with those outcomes. But if you're constantly thinking about lack, debt, or fear, you'll attract more of that instead. Science backs this up through something called neuroplasticity. Your brain physically rewires itself based on your repeated thoughts. So, when you consistently focus on abundance, you're training your brain to notice and create opportunities that align with that reality. It's like planting seeds in a garden. If you plant scarcity and fear, weeds will grow. But if you plant abundance and gratitude, your life blossoms. Your thoughts are powerful. They shape your beliefs, and your beliefs shape your actions. This is why just 5 minutes a day of intentional focus can create massive shifts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use that time to reprogram your mind and start attracting the financial success you deserve. Stay with me, because this is where it all begins. You might be wondering, how can just 5 minutes a day make such a huge difference? The truth is, it's not about how much time you spend. It's about consistency and intention. Your subconscious mind is like fertile soil, ready to absorb whatever you plant in it. But here's the key. It doesn't need hours of effort to grow. Small, consistent actions repeated daily are far more powerful than occasional bursts of motivation. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't do it for hours, but because you do it every day, it keeps your teeth healthy. The same principle applies to your mindset. When you spend just 5 focused minutes a day visualizing abundance, affirming your goals, or feeling gratitude, you're rewiring your brain to expect and attract wealth. Over time, this builds unstoppable momentum. The compound effect kicks in, where those small daily efforts add up to massive results. It's like planting a single seed every day. Before you know it, you've grown a thriving garden of opportunities. This is why 5 minutes is all you need. It's simple, effective, and something you can commit to no matter how busy your life is. What matters most is that you do it consistently, and soon you'll start to see how this tiny daily habit creates a ripple effect that transforms your financial reality. If you want to attract $10,000 a month, the first step is setting a clear and specific financial goal. Clarity is everything when it comes to the law of attraction. You can't just say, "I want more money," because that's too vague, and your mind doesn't know how to act on it. Instead, declare your goal with precision. I will earn $10,000 every month by insert a specific date. Writing this down makes it real. But it's not just about the numbers. It's about connecting emotionally to the goal. Picture what your life would look like when you're earning that $10,000 a month. Imagine the freedom, the security, the ability to help others, or even just the simple joys it will bring. When your goal is clear and tied to deep feelings, you give your mind and energy a target to focus on. It's like setting your GPS. Without a destination, you'll just wander aimlessly, but with one, every step you take moves you closer to it. So, take a moment to set your goal, make it as specific and vivid as possible, and let yourself feel the excitement of achieving it. This is the foundation for everything we'll build on, and it's how you tell the universe you're serious about attracting abundance into your life. Now let's dive into the 5-minute practice that will completely transform how you attract wealth. This simple routine is designed to reprogram your subconscious mind and align your energy with financial abundance. Start with the first minute by focusing on gratitude. Close your eyes and think of 3 things you're grateful for right now. These could be small or big, like the roof over your head, the coffee you enjoyed this morning, or even a small amount of money that came your way recently. Gratitude shifts your energy into a state of receiving, which is the foundation for attracting more abundance. For the second minute, move to affirmations. Speak positive, wealth-focused statements out loud or in your mind, such as, "Money flows to me easily and effortlessly," or "I am worthy of earning $10,000 a month." These affirmations may feel unfamiliar at first, but repetition rewires your brain to accept them as truth. Next, spend the third minute visualizing your goal. Close your eyes and imagine your life with $10,000 a month flowing in. Picture it vividly. What does your bank account look like? What does your day feel like when you wake up knowing you're financially secure? See yourself using that money in ways that bring you joy and fulfillment. In the fourth minute, focus deeply on the emotions connected to your goal. Feel the relief of paying off debt, the excitement of achieving a dream, or the freedom of financial independence. The stronger you can feel those emotions, the more powerfully you're sending signals to the universe. Finally, use the fifth minute to plan one small action you can take today to align with your goal. This doesn't have to be huge. It could be something as simple as researching a new opportunity, reaching out to a potential client, or organizing your finances. The universe responds when you combine intention with action. This 5-minute practice might seem simple, but its power lies in consistency. The more you commit to it, the more you'll see your energy, mindset, and circumstances shift toward the financial success you've been dreaming of. One of the biggest obstacles to attracting $10,000 a month is the mental blocks we carry, those deeply ingrained beliefs that tell us it's not possible. Thoughts like, "I'm not good with money," "I don't deserve to be wealthy," or "it's too hard to make that much," act as invisible barriers, holding you back from the abundance you desire. These beliefs often come from past experiences or what you were taught about money growing up. But here's the truth. Those beliefs are not facts, and they can be changed. The first step is becoming aware of them. When you catch yourself thinking something negative about money, stop and question it. Ask yourself, is this really true? Or is it just a story I've been telling myself? Then, replace that thought with an empowering one. For example, instead of, "I'll never have enough," affirm, "I always attract more than enough to meet my needs." Your mind believes what you tell it most often, so choose beliefs that align with abundance. It's also important to forgive yourself for any past financial mistakes. Carrying guilt or shame about money creates resistance and blocks the flow of abundance. Let it go, knowing that every day is a new opportunity to align with wealth. Remember, your mental blocks are like weeds in your garden of abundance. The more you uproot them and replace them with positive, empowering thoughts, the easier it becomes to attract the financial freedom you deserve. You are not your past, and you are fully capable of creating a new reality starting today. While visualization and affirmations are powerful tools, they're only part of the equation. The other key to attracting $10,000 a month is inspired action. This isn't about working harder or forcing things to happen. It's about tuning into your intuition and acting on the opportunities that align with your goal. When you practice the law of attraction, you'll start to notice small nudges or ideas that come to you, almost like whispers from the universe. Maybe it's an idea for a business, the urge to reach out to someone, or even a new way to manage your money. These moments of inspiration are your sign to take action. The difference between inspired action and regular effort is that it feels exciting, natural, and aligned. You might not see the full picture yet, but by following these intuitive steps, you're putting yourself in the path of opportunity. Imagine you've been visualizing financial abundance, and suddenly you come across a free workshop or meet someone with valuable advice. Acting on these opportunities is how you turn your thoughts into reality. The universe opens the doors, but you have to walk through them. Don't let fear or overthinking hold you back. Trust that every inspired action you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. It's the bridge between intention and manifestation. Remember, attracting wealth isn't about sitting back and waiting. It's about co-creating with the universe through intentional, aligned action. Every step you take sends a clear message. I'm ready for abundance. And when you move with purpose, the results will follow. To keep your momentum strong, it's important to track your progress and celebrate every win along the way, no matter how small it might seem. When you acknowledge the money or opportunities that flow into your life, you're reinforcing the energy of abundance. Maybe you received an unexpected discount, found some extra cash, or landed a small gig. These are all signs that your mindset is shifting and the law of attraction is working. By celebrating these moments, you're telling the universe you're grateful and open to receiving even more. Keep a journal where you note every success, whether it's financial or even a positive change in your mindset. Over time, this creates a powerful reminder of how far you've come. Remember, gratitude multiplies abundance, and the more you focus on what's going right, the more aligned you'll be with your $10,000 goal. Tracking your wins isn't just about measuring progress. It's about building the confidence and belief that you are capable of creating the financial freedom you deserve. Celebrate every step, because each one brings you closer to the life you've been working toward. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Now you know how just 5 minutes a day can completely transform your financial reality and help you attract $10,000 a month. By focusing on gratitude, affirmations, visualization, and inspired action, you're reprogramming your mind and aligning yourself with the abundance that's already waiting for you. Remember, this isn't just about wishing for success. It's about creating it step by step. The power is already within you. All you have to do is tap into it consistently. Start today, even if it feels small, because small changes compound into massive results over time. If this resonated with you, don't wait. Try this practice for the next 7 days and see how it begins to shift your energy and mindset. Drop a comment below and let me know how you're going to use your 5 minutes today. I'd love to hear about your goals. And if you're ready to take control of your financial future, like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Remember, the life you've been dreaming of is closer than you think. You have everything you need to succeed. So take that first step today, and I'll see you in the next video.